Hey there, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where science meets style and honest reviews help you make smarter beauty choices. Today, we're taking a close look at L'Oréal Paris EverPure Sulfate-Free Brass Toning Purple Shampoo. This one's designed specifically for anyone rocking blonde, bleached, silver, or brown highlighted hair who wants to keep those pesky brassy tones at bay. So here's the scoop. This shampoo is part of L'Oréal's EverPure line, which prides itself on being sulfate-free, vegan, and color-safe. It's formulated with hibiscus extract and purple dye to tone down the unwanted yellow and orange hues that can sneak into color-treated hair over time. The 6.8-ounce bottle claims to hydrate while it neutralizes brassiness, which sounds like a win-win for keeping hair fresh and vibrant without stripping moisture. Now, jumping into how it worked for me, integrating this into my routine was straightforward. I followed the recommended use, washing 2 to 3 times a week instead of my usual shampoo. The purple pigment is pretty intense, so a little goes a long way. When lathering, the texture felt creamy and gentle, which I appreciate since sulfate-free formulas can sometimes feel thin or leave residue. After leaving it in for about 2 minutes, my hair rinsed out clean with no weird dryness or tightness. One real-world test I gave it was after a few weeks of regular use, especially on strands that tend to pick up warmth from sunlight and heat styling. I noticed a subtle but clear reduction in the yellow-orange brassiness, giving my blonde highlights a cooler, fresher tone without looking ashy or dull. Plus, the moisturizing effect helped keep my hair feeling soft and manageable, not brittle or stripped like some purple shampoos can do. But it's not all perfect. A couple of things to flag. The color deposit can be tricky if left in too long, sometimes leaving a slight purple tint that's noticeable in brighter light. So timing really matters here. Also, while the scent is pleasant and not overpowering, it doesn't linger. So if you like your shampoo to add a lasting fragrance, this might feel a bit understated. Here's what stood out. The sulfate-free formula respects the hair's natural oils and color longevity, which is crucial for color-treated hair that's prone to damage. The packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly, though the 6.8-ounce size may feel small if you're using it multiple times a week. On value, I'd say this shampoo sits in the mid-range pricing bracket. Considering the quality ingredients like hibiscus for hydration and the effective color-neutralizing pigment, it's fairly priced for what it offers. If you're serious about maintaining color and minimizing brassiness without sacrificing hair health, it's a solid investment. That said, if budget is a bigger concern, there are cheaper purple shampoos that work well but might lack the hydration benefits EverPure provides. Comparing it to some other sulfate-free toning shampoos, L'Oréal's EverPure stands out with its balanced moisture and color care. Some competitors lean too heavy on toning, but leave hair dry, or vice versa. This one strikes a nice middle ground. Customer support from L'Oréal tends to be reliable and responsive, which adds peace of mind if you ever encounter any issues. While I haven't needed to contact them personally for this product, their brand reputation in hair care is solid. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Wrapping it up, if you're someone with blonde, silver, or highlighted hair struggling with brassiness and want a gentle yet effective sulfate-free option that also hydrates, this shampoo definitely lives up to the promise. Just be mindful of the timing during application to avoid any purple tint. Those with very dark or uncolored hair probably won't benefit as much, since it's formulated specifically for toning lighter shades. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find the purchase link in the description and comments below. If you've tried L'Oréal EverPure Purple Shampoo yourself, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.